Hi guys, here we are at Arksey level crossing in Yorkshire with Joe Thorpe. No bangs. Timer, about 8-second timer. There we go, now the time is 15:39 on Saturday the 14th of February 2015. This is for our 15:38 Watt 493 Romeo GBRF service from Exborough to Doncaster down to Coy GBRF, and our 14:41 045 Juliet from Belmont Down Yard to Tyne SS. And I've got two freights running at the moment.
What he said. But anyway, now the time's 15:40 on...
Sunday, here we go. Look at them both.
Yeah, you can see. Okay. Now the time is 15:40 on Saturday the 14th of February 2015.
It's alright mate, you don't have to duck from my camera. It's pretty nice having you in it.
Yeah, I'm going to cross now, so that if she goes up I don't get stuck on this side.
Doesn't matter, you won't get back over. It's not that busy, Adam.
Well, anyway,
let me know when it's coming, Adam.
What?
Let me know when it's coming. Because I've got to look after Paul's little...
The train's coming!
Where?
I bet you it's coming this way because the green signal's right up.
Hang on a minute, I think I've seen a light.
What?
I think I just saw a light.
Angela, you're still over from that bit earlier. You're still over.
No, I don't owe him. Yeah, here she is. I think it's a tug. Here it is. This is a DBS freight. Dutchman Schenker. It's only a short one, this is. This freight coming is only a short one. Oh, there's a DBS pulling a load of EWSs. So it's a tug with 5 sheds. 60020 to 66137 to 66192 to 66121 to 66006 to 66024. And up they go. Thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video.